Manny Pacquiao medyo naghahanap ng pangalawang hangin to, Chino. Although maganda yung galaw sa previous round, medyo nakikita natin na nakabukas yung bunganga.
Dito papasok yung pinag-uusapan ng conditioning. Remember, netong si Manny Pacquiao almost had to put himself in condition. Ayun yung trabaho. Ito po yung highlights natin. Wow, what a connection with that right. Hindi lang naka-follow up.
Pero bumalik yung Barrera.
Ang talim ng counter na yun, no? Nakita mo yung kanan na counter.
An ordinary fighter would have gone to the canvas.
May mga nagtatanong ano physical condition ni Manny. Palagay ko yung pagkakatama ni Barrera sa kanyang answers. That question,
yes,
that he is in shape.
He is in shape.
At the same time, si Barrera looks like he's also in good shape, ha?
Pareho.
Oo.
Pero
nakakatama din si Manny ng mga malalakas.
Contrasting scenes. Tuwing tinatamaan ni Manny si Barrera na matindi, nararamdaman at iniinda ni Barrera. Yung Manny Pacquiao ting tinatamaan, bumabalik.
Ito ang sinasabi natin kanina, kasamang Manny, no? Yung power ni Barrera parang hindi niya naiyak-yak dun sa super featherweight division. Okay, round number 7 na tayo rito.
Yes, ito po ang ating Motolite pang matagalan. Round number 7. Hindi pa ako nagkakatamaan. Half a minute gone by in round number 7 scheduled for 12. This is for Manny Pacquiao's WBC International Super Featherweight title.
Alam mo, partner, yung jab ni Manny, halos hindi natin nakikita rito, ha?
Hindi nga, nagtataka ako dahil yun ang tinatrabaho at yun daw ang kanyang magiging weapon dito.
Dahil lumalayo yung Barrera.
Yun, nawawala yung
Exactly.
range.
I think that's the game plan ngayon ni Barrera. Kanina nakita natin that he was just countering. Now, lumalayo siya. He's playing a waiting game. And he feels that's one way to survive the 12 rounds. And maybe he can seal the decision at the end.
Kasi kapag pinilit ni Manny na itama yung kanyang jab, ma-out balance siya dahil lumalayo yung Barrera.
So iniintay niya rito yung connection. Ayun,
Yes.
tumama.
Nice shot. Ito.
And Barrera says, let's get it on. Tumama si Barrera ng kaliwa. But I think Manny is confident that he can actually take and
The punch. A good
nice shot.
right to the midsection of Marco Antonio Barrera.
Dumudukot si Manny Pacquiao ngayon sa may bandang kaliwang tagiliran nitong si Marco Antonio Barrera.
Pero patuloy yung paggalaw, ha? Ni Barrera.
A
Moving
good
over
left
to one
again
side.
by Manny.
Maganda kondisyon itong Barrera. Ang dami nang ibinibitaw at binibigay ni Manny Pacquiao na tumatama.
Ito, nakikita natin yung head movement ni Manny. Yun pinag-aralan din niya many times in the gym.
Ngayon lahat ng trabaho mapapakinabangan ni Manny Pacquiao.
Ito, hindi nagiging aggressive dito si Barrera.
Parehong bumagal actually.
Oo.
Kung titignan niyo ang pace na ito.
But in the early moments of this round, it was Manny Pacquiao na siyang siya yung nagli-lead din eh. Siya yung aggressor.
Tingin ko naghahanap ng second win si Manny.
Midway point po tayo ng ating laban na to, scheduled for 12. Wala masyadong furious exchange unlike in the first 6 rounds.
But Manny is winning this round.
Oh, yes. Kasi umiiwas lang si Barrera eh. He's just moving away, circling again to the right side of Manny to avoid the left. Kaya dapat siguro si Manny
Pag-aaralang cornering. 10 seconds.
At saka gumamit ng kanan. Hop, here we go. This is Barrera's.
Ito ang ating alaksan moment as we end this round number 7. A round that we will have to give to Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, without a doubt.
Yan po, hatid sa inyo ng SMB Sports.
Hey, Trump coming up. Hey, arms down. Deep breath. Hey.